I've just come out of the train station, Stratford International, and then you just walk past this play area. There's the entrance to the Westfield shopping centre, and then the Premier Inn is literally just there. And it's all the way up there. This is the Premier Inn London Stratford Hotel. I got really excited when I came up because I thought, oh, I've got a Premier Plus room, but the whole corridor is Premier Plus, apart from there's 2 rooms that are like a bit smaller, and they obviously haven't put these ones as Premier Plus. So I'm on the 10th floor, room 1019. So come in, there's Kotuks on there, pretty standard Premier really. Yeah. Hair dryer, mirror, little wardrobe bit, tea and coffee, bed, and then in here there's no bath, it's just a shower, but it's quite big, and it's got the like rainfall one and the normal one there. I feel like it's been redone since I last stayed here. It's been a while. I think it was before I had Freddie I last stayed here. And then look out here, just shut the curtain so if you can see. It's got a really good view straight out across London. So that's, I think you can probably see the Shard if you look, maybe it's behind this building here, because we're looking kind of back down towards London from here. I'll have to see in the morning. And then that's the, see the orange kind of light, that's probably from the grass. That's the Olympic Stadium, or I think it's home to football now, I think. And then down here, just see how high I am now. See the people walking down there. So that's the Westfield shopping centre. And then all kind of Stratford, Hyatt Regency, there's lots of office buildings. Yeah, so this would be like the cinema on the top floor. Oh, a cinema or a casino? Might be a casino actually. And then under that is all the restaurants and everything. And then under that is all the shops. And then right down at the bottom is the kind of the way out back up to Stratford Station. Stratford International is actually the other side of this building. But it's quite good access to King's Cross. If you have an Oyster card, you can get, not King's Cross, St Pancras. You can get like the high speed that normally goes to like Margate and places like that. It's 1 stop to Stratford International, it's 7 minutes. And you wouldn't think it would be that quick, but because it's the high speed one, it's literally 1 stop, 7 minutes, you're at Stratford International. And you get off and then you literally walk straight in, as you'll have seen on my video. But yeah, not bad. Shame I didn't get a Premier Plus room, but there we go.